my friends, I am Marietta and I welcome you to Marietta's Art Show. As you can see, this position is a little different than normal because I am showing you this huge piece that is actually not going to go on my wall. It's going to go into a gallery, so I decided to put it on my floor, and it was really interesting. I really don't have that floor space, so it's in my kitchen, so I hope it gives you an idea of what this is going to be like sideways. And I called it Harvest Moon. It has tons of huge pieces of glass, chunks of glass, reflective glass, and also Swarovski crystals. Swarovski crystals are the world's best crystal manufacturer. The light plays with the prisms through the crystals, as I'll show you at the end when I go through the close-up of the piece, and it is truly remarkable and magical. It puts you in a world that we don't really live in, but for a moment you could live the magic and this wonder of this place. And it really looks like diamonds in the sky. I hope you enjoy the creation, and I'll see you after. you enjoyed how I made this piece. It was really hard. I don't have much room downstairs in my studio, so I had to use every bit of the space that I had, and I was running into walls, I was running into the video camera equipment, but it was all worth it. I just love showing you what I do, and this is one of my favorite pieces, so I hope you enjoyed it as well. I really appreciate you giving me a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel. It helps me spread the love of art to as many people as I can. Thank you so much. Bardzo dziękuję. Until the next time.